Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we have the Touch Game Advance. Yes, we have a 16-bit system with a touchscreen. That is something that is pretty unique because with all of those clones and weird stuff from China, I think a couple of them had a touchscreen and most of them were Android devices. So what are we going to get? So let's take a close look at the packaging itself. As you can see, there are some familiar games on them. It looks like there is a Fruit Ninja on it, so that sounds pretty interesting. Okay, we're going to get some extra stuff with it, and charger and a stylus. The packaging itself is made from this very thick cardboard, so that is pretty cool. Oh, what a hideous color. Alright, so let's take a close look at the system a little bit later. Let's see what we're going to get. We're having an AV out cable. We're having here the charger with the normal mini USB and I cannot even call this a manual anymore. Alright, so there is nothing really important in this, so let's close it up and let's take a close look at the system. Alright, so this thing looks a little bit Frankenstein because the display is bigger than the system itself. It looks very strange. Alright, to the back we're having two speaker holes, and yeah, I guess again we're having only one. I think we can see it on the camera, but there is only one speaker in here. So here you can see we're using the old school, very crappy SP battery. I guess a couple of hour playtime, not much to be honest. So they're ripping off the PlayStation with the decals. Of course, like a real cheap device, it feels very flimsy, not a real D-pad because we're having 4 buttons. We're having here the reset and some other buttons. There's no shoulder. This is also nothing. So that's it. Alright, let's power it on. Wow, the sound itself is already messed up. Alright, so let's take a close look at the device. Is the charger? How can I lower the sound with this thing? Oh, here it is. Alright, here we can see we're having two kinds of games. We're having just the basic games that we use the controls and the touch games. I think I can touch. Oh. Alright, as you can see we're having this basic list like always. Bumper cars, Super Bomber. Oh, what is Super Bomber? Okay. Let's... (16-bit). That sounds really awful. Oh. Alright, let's do another game. Zuma. Seriously? Seriously? They ripped off Sonic! This does have nothing to do with Sonic. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's in Sonic, but it looks like a freaking Knuckles. Look at this. Awful sound. No idea what I need to do, but you're getting the point. It's alright, so let's take a close look at the touch game, because this is what makes this device pretty interesting. We have Tom the Cat, Zuma. Let's try Zuma, that sounds cool. Come on. They ripped off some familiar songs. Oh, there was... Oh, we're having 2 reset buttons over here. Oh, that's not really convenient. Crap. That touch screen is very responsive, I must handle that. Is this start? This is start. Oh, just to touch it. How you want to control this? Okay, there's the blue. Oh, just like that. That shuts it. I must say, it's a shame that the sound is pretty messed up. Because the gameplay is pretty decent. The LCD display or the touchscreen is very responsive. And playing these games is a fun experience. Alright, so basically they ripped off all kinds of games, and even including Plants vs. Zombies. But it didn't rip off the music. Okay, let's see. Can we... Let's put the solar flower or the sunflower over there. Oh. And I must say the games are pretty unique. Oh, I need to zoom in a little bit, but let's see. But you can see we're even having Bubble and Bobble. It's unbelievable. They're just ripping off so many familiar titles. Air flying. Let's see what we're having here with air flying. Okay. Sounds like shoot 'em up. Yeah, Wicked is really responsive. Hello. Ah. This is a game that you want to play with a touchscreen. Okay. Just hold it and let's shoot. Can I get it? Can I get it as a power? What is this? Whatever. So yeah, this is a fun experience. Not really. Alright, and I died. Okay, great. Next game. Alright, so the touch games are basically all rip-offs from original games, and there are quite a lot of different versions. Happy Run, now we're going to get the shitty ones. So let's see what we have here. The Mad Frog or something like that. Mack Frog, my toy partner. That sounds kind of wrong. My toy partner. Oh. Alright, so what do we have here? Animal Match. Alright, next one. Bejeweled. A very familiar game. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Let's see. I'm not good at this game, but... See, but there are some funny games on this. Oh, okay. No. I need... No, this one needs to go there. Thank you. Okay. So what you're getting the point, this is just basically a very low-end Bejeweled version. Alright, so this is what you're going to get with the Touch Game Advance. So I just needed to make a review about this device. I just wanted to show you here on the channel because this is one of these weird, obscure China handhelds. Alright, so what you're basically going to get is the same games, only you can choose between the controls or the touchscreen. The touchscreen itself is very surprisingly very responsive, but as you can see the menu itself is way too slow. I think that is the biggest delay we're having here. But it is not bad at all. The games, the first pages are very fun. Just basically rip-off games like Bejeweled, Fruit Ninja, you name it. Very cool, but you will get bored very quickly. Maybe there's more like for a collectible item, but at the end if you want to play some games, no, you need to avoid this thing at all costs. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for watching. Give the video a like up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and now I will see you in the next video.